me know if you guys can hear me. Ayan, so sandito si Chen. Hello, good morning. If you are watching, no, you can share and comment here. No, so Miss Len, ayan, thank you for watching. Ayan, so si Calvin yung aming partner, no? So here nagbakasyon siya in the Philippines. So lubong ha. Okay, so enjoy lang, no? Okay, so sino pa nandito? Yan, hi Cheche, good morning. Ayan, please share this video to your friend, also to your friends. Load GCash, no, para at least maging happy tayo, no. Like what I said, this is a good opportunity to start this year, no, January. Dapat ngayon nag-start na tayo ng mga new plans natin in our life, no, in our family or in our health, no, in our career, no. Yesterday kaka-renew ko lang ng aking business, no, so yung permit namin. So this is very good start for us, no, na gawin natin yung mga bagay na hindi natin nagawa last year at yung mga hindi natin natapos, let's tapusin natin yon, no. So kaya let's start, no, and let's use this opportunity to do a lot of things, no, for our life and to our family, to our health, no, like that. Okay, so let's start. So how to become an e-commerce virtual assistant, no? So before that, I want to share muna myself, lalo na sa mga bagong nagwo-watch nitong video na to. So I am a founder of Academy, and our company are the digital consultancy and services. We have also the digital CS Academy and also the Prep for You services. No, so who am I? So I'm Divine Grace Corsio. I'm entrepreneur, coach, and founder of digital consultancy and services and Prep for You services. No, so if you can see here, nagsimula din ako as a virtual assistant. No, so that's why I know a lot of things about e-commerce, no, kasi ginagawa ko na to before at until now, no. And the pandemic, no, nagtuturo na ako about virtual assistant. So it's very convenient, no. And then nakakatulong din tayo sa madaming Filipino sa Pilipinas. So right now we have more than 20 virtual assistants na nag-work under our agency. And at katulad niyan, this year talaga I'm planning to have more, no? Dahil that's why I'm pushing it again, no, the Academy, kasi ngayon kulang kami ng manpower, kulang kami ng mga virtual assistant, no. That's why more virtual assistant. We want to hire and train more virtual, kasi madaming clients, madaming stores na dapat na kailangan ng ating mga clients, no. Actually ang tagline nga namin is behind a successful business is a hardworking virtual assistant, no, kasi I believe na ang mga Pilipino ay mga hardworking people. So that's why I'm sharing this to all the Filipinos, kasi gusto ko kayo see, doing a lot of stuff in your house, pwede kayong magtrabaho at your home, no? And that is becoming a virtual assistant. Okay, so I'm also an online seller, no? Nagsimula din ako. So that's why I know the the hardship and the problem na na-encounter ng mga online sellers, no? So that's why yun yung edge ko to help virtual assistant paano palalo sila maging successful and maibigay expectation ng isang client, no? So that's why you can see here, nag-start lang ako sa sa bahay, no? I started selling online. The same time also nag-work ako as a virtual assistant. Nagsisell ako on my own self, on my own store. And then the more na I'm doing this and the more na nagkakaroon kami ng clients, madami na akong natutunan, madami na akong na encounter ng mga problems na the same thing na apply namin sa mga clients. They are happy working with us kasi nakita na namin yung mga kakulangan namin as improve, no? Kaya patuloy na meron kami mga clients, and right now we have retainers, no, clients, at merong mga bagong dumadating. That's why I'm pushing this again, to help or to get more virtual assistant na ilalagay namin sa stores namin. Okay, so if you can see here, yan si Calvin, no? No? So this is our team, no, na kami yung also handling fulfillment center for Amazon, Walmart, what do you call this, FBA and FBM, no? So kasi may mga clients tayo na from UK, Canada, they will ship products in the US para ibenta, no? So kami yung nagpre-prepare para sa kanila, no? So that's why about e-commerce, kasi we have our own warehouse and kami sa YouTube, no, nanood lang kami ng video, but we are already doing it, no? So that's why we know everything about e-commerce. Okay, so gagawin kong maikli lang to kasi ako, I always make sure na hindi ako lalagpas ng 1 hour, no? Kasi gusto ko na no? So what to expect in this webinar? So number one, what is especially sa mga hindi pa alam what is e-commerce. Kasi ako, in the Philippines, midwife ako. I don't have any background about e-commerce, about admin tasks or corporate. What is e-commerce? What are the tasks of an e-commerce virtual assistant? Types of e-commerce virtual different types of e-commerce business models. What are the requirements, no? Pag kayo nag-apply na as a virtual assistant, e-commerce virtual assistant, where to apply and what are the skills you can offer, and then I have giveaways later, ha? So that's why pa-share, no? I-share nyo to sa mga friends and friends and family. So let's go and let's start. So what is e-commerce? So e-commerce is known as electronic commerce or services using the internet and the transfer of money and data to execute those transactions. E-commerce is often used to refer to the sale of physical products online, but it can also describe any kind of commercial transactions that is facilitated through the internet. Katulad ng Shopee, Lazada, no, what more pa in the first world country, in the US, in the UK, Canada, no? So, what are the tasks of an e-commerce virtual assistant? So, we do product research, no? Syempre, bread and butter yung product research, no? Kung walang right product, wala tayong ibebenta. So that's why yan ang aming tinuturo, product research. Product listing din, no? Paano siya dapat makita, no? We do good SEO para makita kagad siya in the Google, no? Store monitoring. Tracking of orders, no? So we need to fulfill pag merong orders, no? And then kailangan magkaroon din tayo ng good customer service. Okay, so what are the types of e-commerce? No, so we have the business to consumer, no? So or to you, no? Consumer to consumer, so pwede din si Lazada. Si Lazada nagbebenta siya sa mga other business. I know si Shopee, C2C din siya, no? Merong mga consumer katulad ko, no, maglilist ako ng product, and consumer din ang magbibili, no? So that is consumer to consumer. And then business. So like big business, okay, so what are the different types? Okay, let me remove muna the banner here para mas okay. Okay, yan, sorry. Ayan, so type of different types of e-commerce business model. So here in the US, napakadami. No, we do drop shipping, we do also arbitrage, label or branding. Okay, so I will explain that one by one. So what is drop shipping? So drop shipping is a retail fulfillment where a store doesn't keep the product. It purchases the item from third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. Okay, so meron akong diagram. No, that is the customer. So si customer, the customer will buy to the shop or to the store. So si store, wala nang inventories na hawak. Ang ginagawa niya, from the supplier or warehouse, nililist niya yung mga product na yun sa shop niya, and then si customer bibili. So once si customer bumili sa shop or sa store, si shop or sa store, ipapasa niya kay warehouse or supplier, and then si warehouse no, so that is the drop shipping. So customer will buy, so store will pass it to the warehouse we're gonna pack and ship it to the customer. So that's how the drop shipping works. Okay, so let's see nga sino mga nandito. Ayan, so ayan si Mirasol. Hi Mirasol, it's been a long time ha. Ayan, si Burley. Hi, Burley. Sedantes. Ayan, hi. Okay, yan. Thank you for sharing, Mirasol. Hello, Coach from Lapu-Lapu. Hello, everyone. Ayan, so, sige nga, meron ba ditong mga newbie, no? If you are newbie, can you comment #newbie? And then if you are my student, can you do hashtag student, no? So later on, meron akong game, no? And you will, whoever, answer the question, yan, meron kayong prize later on. Okay? If you are newbie or my student, okay? Okay, so let's move on. What is arbitrage? No, so arbitrage is the act of buying a security in one market and simultaneously selling it in another market at a higher price. Okay, so paano naman siya? So for example, you will buy it low online. So this is online arbitrage, no? So dalawa kasing klase yung arbitrage. Merong online siya bibili, or retail, no, sa store mismo. But it's the same concept, no? You will buy it low and then sell it in a higher price. Okay? So parang sa divisor, ay hindi. Yan. So parang bibilin mo siya, clearance siya, and then you will sell it in a higher price. So that is arbitrage. Buying bulk from a manufacturer at a discounted price and selling to a retail for a higher price for them to repackage and in turn resell as small quantities, no? So ano na tayo dito, medyo familiar na tayo dito. So parang halimbawa sa Divisoria, no? So bibili ka ng dosena and then ipapak mo siya as tig dalawa or tig isa, no? So you are wholesaling. Yun yung tawag sa wholesaling. Okay, so what is private labeling? And sold under a retail brand's name. As a retailer, you specify everything about the product. What goes in it, how it's packaged, what the label looks like, and pay to have it produced. So paano yung yung private labeling? Okay, so for example, like this is ayan, so ito 'di ba, water. So sa Philippines, pare-pareho naman siyang water, no? Pero iba-iba ang packaging. So that is your private label, no? Pareho bottled, nilalagay mo lang yung, so that is private labeling. Okay, so before tayo mag-start, no? Mag-proceed, I have question, okay? So this is our first game. So ano yung tawag, no? Kung sino yung first na makaka-answer, siya yung magkakaroon ng so what is that? Buy low, sell high. So anong tawag doon? Okay, may makakasagot ba? Buy low, sell high. So let's see. Yung first naman nanalo ha. Buy low, sell high. Sige, tingnan natin kung sino na sasagot. You will win 100 pesos GCash. Okay? Let's see. Anong tawag doon? Dropshipping, arbitrage, wholesaling, or private labeling. So let's see. Sino makakasagot? Okay. Okay, ay lumabas ng aking Yan, congratulations, Burley, arbitrage, ang tama. Ayan, so please DM us, no, your GCash number, and then later on, no, we will send you your prize. Okay, stay tuned pa ha. Meron pa tayong games. Okay, so let's continue. So what are the requirements, no? If you're going to be a virtual assistant, no? So number 1, kailangan clients are from the US, Canada, United Kingdom, no? So kaya kailangan mo ng internet. And number 2, kailangan mo ng laptop or computer, no? Kasi sabi ko nga, online tayo magtatrabaho, no? So nasa computer dapat. And then you need to have your resume, no? So syempre dapat sa resume mo nandoon yung mga meron ka mga previous work mo, ano yung mga na training na nagawa mo, no? So kailangan mo 'yon. Cover letter also, no? Kailangan 'yan kasi to introduce yourself, no, to the client. Also portfolio as a proof of your previous work, especially pag online, 'di ba? Mahirap kasi, no? Portfolio talaga ang una naming hinahanap when it comes to hiring, no, virtual assistant. And then certificate, no? So like us, no, we have academy, and then if you enroll to our academy, meron kang certificate na makukuha after your so what else? So another requirements are payment method. Nasa ibang bansa nga yung mga clients, so you need to have your PayPal account, Payoneer, Transwise, or ngayon Wise na, and then GCash, no? Or also, you need to have a bank account, no? Para alam nyo kung saan ita-transfer yung bayad sa inyo ng client. So, you need also to have a communication tools, no? Like Zoom, WhatsApp, Messenger, Gmail, as we have Discord, no? Slack, no, you need no klase ang virtual assistant or e-commerce virtual assistant, no? So where to apply? So you can apply in Upwork, Online Job PH, freelancings.com. We also have Fiverr, and then we have also FB group, no? May mga clients na naghahanap ng mga virtual assistant sa mga FB groups. Pero very very careful dapat din kayo kasi may assistant na nagtrabaho sila kaya be careful FB groups. And also like agency, no? So like us, no? Meron kami mga clients na talaga kasi nag-offer kami ng automation. So that's why kailangan namin ng mga kami nagte-training at nagma-match, no, sa mga virtual assistant and clients. Okay. So what skills you can offer, no? In e-commerce, no? May mga e-commerce, may for Amazon, may virtual assistant for eBay, no? Meron ding sa Facebook Marketplace. We have also Etsy virtual assistant, Shopify virtual assistant, and also designer, no? Design, no? Maraming klase ang e-commerce virtual assistant, no? Mga for Amazon, eBay, Facebook, no? Right now meron din kaming social media, no? Namin, no? And then we're going to launch also our Etsy course and also print on demand, no? Age. Okay, so sino makakahula? What is my age right now? Sige, tingnan natin kung sino. Sige, and you will win sige, hula-hula, hula-hula. Ano yung ating hula dyan? Okay. Huwag niyo lang masyadong patandain, ha? Okay. Ayun, oh. Sabi ni Lynn, 25 daw ako. Sarap naman nun. Sige, sino pa? Ayan, wala pang nakakahula, wala pang nakakatama. Sige, sino dyan ang makakahula ng aking age? Naku, Angie, pinatanda mo naman ako masyado, Age na yan ng ano ko. Congratulations! Okay, no. I'm 36 years old. Congratulations. Yan, please DM us, no? For your GCash number, no? I-send namin sa iyo later on yung price mo. Ayan. So 36 lang ako, Angie, 36 lang ako. Okay, so yan, congratulations. Okay, so let's go back. Ayan, so right now, no, meron kami mga courses, no? So yan, freelancing virtual assistant program, no, especially sa mga lalo na sa mga bago na hindi alam, talagang hindi alam kung saan mag-start, no? So namin very important na mag-start muna in freelancing, no, kasi yun yung pinaka foundation ng ating virtual assistant, and then saka kayo mag-upskill, no, or saka kayo magkakaroon ng no? We're going to have Etsy din also, Etsy virtual assistant, no? Kasi din yan, isa din yan sa mga in demand right now, no? And also, actually meron kaming madami pang course. Actually may mga webinars din kami, no? So kung halimbawa hindi nyo pa ma-decide kung anong gusto nyong i-niche, no? After ng freelancing, you can no, para at least magkaroon kayo ng overview about the course, no? And actually right now, no, I'm going to launch also for sellers, no? Kahit nasa Pilipinas ka, you can sell here in the US. And also eBay, no? Meron na din akong eBay course na pwedeng magiging guide nyo how to do it, no? Kahit nasa Pilipinas ka, you can sell also with zero investment, no? So kaya soon, no, namin yan, ipopost namin yan, no? Yung mga outline namin, and I'm almost finished with the course, no? So kaya later on, ayan, mawawala na tong Amazon FBA and wholesale at saka Amazon FBM, no? Kaya if you want to enroll now, mag-enroll na kayo kasi next siya for sellers also, no? No, kasi talagang pwede na kayong mag-sell kahit nandito kayo sa kahit nasa Pilipinas kayo, you can sell the advantage is, andito ako, I can help you, no? We can help you kasi mga Pilipino tayo, no? Kaya you can trust us, you can depend on us, no? Na talagang kami yung bahalang mag-manage ng mga shipments nyo, inventories nyo, store nyo, no? So but hindi ka na mag-worry kasi nandito na kami. Kami magiging partner nyo. Ayan. Bibigyan ko kayo ng ano ba to? What do you call this? Time to ask question, no? Before ako magpaalam, no? Okay, so sabi ni Mirasol, Coach, magkano yung Etsy virtual assistant? No? Lagi naman tayo magbibigay ng discount dyan. Sige, if you have any question, add in the comment in the comments, no, para masagot natin. I will give you, meron pa tayong mga 5 minutes. Okay, question po. If you have any question. How's the presentation, the webinar? Meron ba? Meron? Please comment kung meron, ha. Okay, sabi ni Len, ano po recommended sa newbie? So, if you're really newbie, no, wala talagang experience, better to start in freelancing virtual assistant, no? Kasi yan yung pinaka-foundation, no? Kasi diyan, hindi lang kayo tuturuan ng tuturuan kayo diyan how to have a line, no? Katulad yan, hindi lang basta yung profile nyo, no? So, dapat ino-optimize yan. Tuturuan din kayo paano tuturuan din kayo paano ng resume nyo. Kasi sabi ko nga, 'di ba? Yan ang importante. Portfolio also, no? Na ano yung mga dapat nyong ipakita sa client, no? And also, madami kayong matututunan. So, for that, less than 1,000, magkano ba yun? 499 lang, no? 499 kaya mag-enroll kayo muna diyan, no? Kasi madami, no? Yan yung pinaka-foundation nyo. Kaya yan ang dapat umpisahan nyo. And then, yun nga, kung gusto nyo matutunan or ano yung gusto nyong gawin, yung enroll na course pa, no? Okay? Kasi ako diyan ako nag-start talaga, no? Ngayon, ko siya natutunan, no? As a virtual assistant. Kasi parang general mo na, no? Kung ano yung, dapat yung sarili mo muna ang dapat mong i-brand, no? Ang i-establish bago yung, bago ka mag-master ng ibang muna. Okay. So, may internship po ba ito? Sorry po, kaya meron kami mga ipapahandle din sa inyo ng mga client or mga task na gagawin, no? Kaya yan, kaya yon, kaya kaya meron kaming internship talaga, no? Hands-on kayo dito. Okay, so ayan, pasensya na ha. Yung balikan, no? Para at least putol, pwede niyong balikan siya. Okay, wala na bang question? Ayan. Ayan, so the last game natin, no? Follow our page, no? And then tag 3 people, share this video, and then mamimili kami or we're going to get 5 winners ng 50 pesos GCash, no? Follow our page, no? Follow tag 3 people. Sali kayo dito sa ano sa game na to. Ayan, so okay. Okay, so before I end this bless you and I will surely multiply to bless us. God is always ready to, to provide for us, no? So that's why whatever the opportunity right now na nagpe-present sa inyo, pray for it and then grab it, no? Kasi we don't know kung ano I started to do this, no? Katulad nyo din, nanonood lang din ako ng mga webinar. And then, see what happened right now, no? Napakadami na nang natulungan ng aming company. Until na nagwo-work sa amin, and yung pa yung goal namin is mas marami pa kaming matulungan, no? So that's why, no, don't wala ko sa wag niyong sayangin, no? Wag niyo sayangin yung opportunity na to kasi nga so every night, no, or every day, lagi tayong scroll. So what if that scrolling time na yan na minsan inabot na ng 2 hours, magamit natin sa pagtatrabaho in to help other people or to help our clients, no? So kumita pa tayo, no? So that's why, no, nandito kami to help you na every month magkakaroon ulit tayo ng mga webinar na ganito to help and to for being with me, no? And what do you call this? Continue learning, no? Continue na maging tayo positive every day, no? Especially right now, we are in New Year, no? Napakabilis ng panahon, no? So kaya kailangan kaysayan, no? May importansya, no, sa ginagawa natin. So thank you everyone. God bless.